Look at that. Healthy man here with a Szechuan pepper stir fry. Super healthy. There's no noodles. It's all vegetables like bean sprouts and peppers and other stuff. Super hot. Ooh, this is gonna be super hot. And of course, one of my favorites, big chunks of chicken. Of course, of course. We're trying a new drink. It is Guava Diamond Macau with vitamin C. And let's go. It's been a while. It's been a long while. Okay, this is really hot though. Actually, it was like, oh, trying to take a better angle. You can look at the food. Took a few minutes. I'm like, will it affect the food? I guess not. It's piping hot. Piping. A lot of piping going around. Yeah, huge chunks of chicken. Super. I don't know how many calories this would be. This is like 1.5 breasts. So it's more than a pound, but like maybe 1.5 pounds of chicken and vegetable sauce. All right. Decently spicy. Feeling it, feeling it. I will get back in healthy mode in a couple of days. I still have a couple of very calorie intensive videos to do. So this is like a little break and then healthy man. Been doing more exercise, more walking. Gotta shed the late December, early January, you know. All right. Ooh. I really have to hold the plate. Like the way I set it up, I wanted like a better angle, and it kind of, you know what I'm saying? Holding the plate. Extra strategy to eating. Good stuff. Guava as well. Really hot. Oh, big chunk. big chunk. Spiciness. So you see me eating pasta and stuff like that. I could eat that every day. This is another thing though. If chicken wasn't always expensive, I'd have stuff like this. Super high protein, low carbs, overall low calorie. Ooh, delicious. Because eating something super healthy and you don't feel it, it's not good either. You gotta feel good. This feels good. Ooh, 2 pieces of chicken. I'm just taking it. The Adventures of Healthy Man. We don't see him too often on camera anyway, which is a shame, and because let's face it, it doesn't get the same amount of views and the same amount of engagement, but I'll still always come up with stuff and put it out there, because again, you gotta do what you enjoy. A nice mix. This is good as well. Hope you enjoyed. Not So Healthy Man will be back, of course, with it's a lot of calories. You'll see. You'll see which one it is, which one I'm talking about. A lot of calories. All right. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.